everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show y'all a shopping haul. I've got so many clothes for my daughter. So I have uploaded a shopping video where it says Sri Venkateshwara. I think I'm not sure of the shop, but anyway, if you all want to know the name of the shop, just press this I button here, so y'all can see the other video and know the name of the shop. I totally forgot by now. Yes, so I'm gonna show y'all all that I have purchased from this particular shop. So let's get started. If you like this video, do like, share and do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Do press the bell icon also so that you can get all my video notifications. So let's get started. So I'm just going random, not in any particular order. So I've got one dress for my daughter. This I paid $1.99 for this. Then this is a t-shirt for myself. I'm going really quick because I have quite a lot to show y'all. So it talks about talent actually, and I paid 99 rupees for this. I don't know what kind of a shop this was. Like maybe many were branded clothes, which was really cheap, and few clothes had the original tag of the brand and the other tag which this shop has put. So if the clothes have the original price, I will also tell you all that. So this is one t-shirt for my daughter, very cute. This I paid 99 rupees. Very good options. If you all want to see what all that shop has, you all can press the I button here and see the things. This is for with a Christmas theme. This is a bit bigger for my daughter. Many clothes are also big for my daughter, but still I got it because it was that cheap. This is just 50 rupees. The quality is so good. I got shorts again, snowman shorts. I really don't know the price. Yeah, the tag is here. This is again 60 rupees. I got this, a summer wear, 99 rupees. I got another kind of a holiday shirt, 179. This is a bit pricey, but a very good quality. This I got this without any t-shirt which comes inside. So this is 149. Oh, I got this cute little shorts. This is the actual tag says it's 5.99, but it is 149 here for my daughter. For my daughter again, a cute shorts. This is 39 rupees. Again, a cute dress which is 129. Again, this is really cute. It's a dress. This was actually in euros. It is 7.95 euros. 7 euros 95 cent. So which means this is a imported one. So this is from some European country, and but what I paid was just 99 rupees, which is not less than 1 euro, which is less than 1 euro, but the actual cost is 7 euro 95 cent, which is almost 8 euros. And this legging for my daughter, 69 rupees. A unicorn t-shirt with 99 rupees. This has little another Christmassy shorts, which is 60 rupees, 59 rupees. Another t-shirt which says respect your mother. So 99 rupees. This is again 99 rupees with a little kitty here. Again a Christmas themed t-shirt, which is 99 rupees. I've picked many Christmas themes because during Christmas is the time where we go to many families, visit many families, and go for outing, shopping, and also it will be really nice to wear some Christmassy clothes. Yeah, so this one for my daughter again. This is kind of a jumpsuit, which is 99 again. A legging. This is really nice with these clouds, cute clouds. Golden 69 rupees again. This kind of a dress. This is 129. Another legging with pear design. This is 69. I'm just checking if the original tag says something. No. Okay. This is again a cute little dress. This is 129. This one is 129. Another Christmas shorts, which is 59. I got this shirt for myself. This looks a bit big, but this has an original tag which says 699. But here the store price was 199. Such a big difference. And I got another shirt. Actually, there were many options, but I didn't have much time, so I was purchasing only for my daughter. So this is 129. This is for my daughter again with the polka dots. This is 129. It's the yellow dress. This is a jumpsuit, which is 129. It's a skirt, very cute skirt for my daughter, but it's a bit big. Its actual price, actual tag. This is Fame Forever. If anyone of y'all know the brand, Fame Forever. The skirt costs $7.99 in this brand, but here it is $149. Very pretty. A legging again with the polka dots. It's 69. And yeah, this is one cute little dress. This is 149. And this is a pullover, or this is mine. And this one is actually from the brand Forever 21. If y'all know the brand, it's Forever 21. And the brand price is 1,400, and I got it for 199. So cheap, and the quality is really nice. Of course, it is from the original brand. The quality is really nice, and this is how it looks with the original tags. I will show y'all with the original tag, Forever 29. I mean Forever 21. Okay, I think that was the best part of mine. And I got one accessory. This is that choker, the black one which comes. Okay, anyway, I will tell you all the price. The actual price of this is again from Forever 21. The actual price is $4.99, but I got it for $69. And yeah, final, last but not the least, I got some shoes for my daughter. I'm so excited. I love shoes. So this, I got it for 4.99. Really nice. The quality is so good, so strong. Like the unicorn type. And I got the next set of shoes is again for 4.49. This is 4.49. And the next set of shoes, this is 4.49 again. Very good quality, very nice, quite strong. Then apart from that, I got this this frame. I'm planning to make my daughter's room a unicorn themed one. So I got this unicorn frame, photo frame. The actual price of this is 7.49, but I got it for 99. So that's it for today. Hope you all liked the video. If you all liked the video, please do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and keep watching all my videos. Tata!